Hi guys, welcome to today's math lesson, one of the last ones of the year. I'll probably do maybe a video still on Wednesday, just to talk about the writing here. But the last real math of the year is today and tomorrow. Finishing up page 3 in your packet here, and then I just have those those exit interview questions on page 4 for you to try for those last couple of days, where I'm just kind of interested in hearing from you guys, hear some of your feedback. But we are reviewing two of the last major topics from 7th grade. Today is the application of percents. Particularly one of the common problems we did were these problems where there's a discount and you have to pay sales tax on it. And this is the problem you have to try tonight, just this one problem right here. And here's an example of how to do a similar problem here on number 1. A couple things to remember, okay? That you need to, when you have these types of problems, you always have to do the discount first, okay? So because you pay tax on the discounted price, not the original price, but the discounted price, the only way to be able to calculate the correct tax is if you first know the discounted price, okay? So you have to do the discount first because that discounted price is what you're going to pay tax off of. For example, with this one, you're buying a pair of jeans that are normally $45, but you have a 20% off coupon, and then you're going to pay your 8% sales tax. So the first thing you need to do is, before you're going to even consider taxes, you first have to find out, what am I going to be paying for that those $45 pair of jeans? Because it's not going to be $45, it's going to be less than that. So here I have a proportion to label it where I find 20% off of 45, which means $9 off. Now certainly you could have used the other way with a calculator, where you went ahead and said, okay, if it's a 45, of course that went off right now. If I have a $45 pair of jeans here, it's too bright for you to see. See if this works a little better. Okay, $45 pair of jeans. So if you do 45 times 0.20 for 20%, that also gives you the $9 off right there. So then you can take off the $9 from the 45, and you find that the jeans are going to cost you $36 on sale. So $36 plus whatever taxes, and that tax is going to be 8% of 36. An alternate way you could have done it is you could have found 80% of 45, because that's going to be, if it's 20% off, that means it's 80% left that you're going to pay, and that would take you to 36 right away as well. So you could use this calculator method, or you could go ahead and do the proportion like I did. But either way, you have to be able to tell me that it's $9 off, so I'm going to end up paying $36 before tax. Now that I know I'm going to be paying $36 for these jeans, I can find 8% of that to find how much tax I'm going to pay. So I find 8% of 36, not the original 45, but a 36, and that's going to give me $2.88. So that's how much I'm paying in tax. That's additional money, so I add that onto the 36. So the final price that they're going to ask for you at the register would be $38.88 for those jeans. Okay, so you have a similar problem for you to try here, where you're going to have to find 30% off of the $24, and then go ahead and find tax off of that new amount and add that on. Okay, so try that one for the work on page 3. That's it for today, and tomorrow we'll solve with hopefully a little bit of an easier one, solving inequalities. Very similar to algebra. It's mostly algebra. It's just that we graph our solutions there too. Okay, so I'll have a quick little video on that tomorrow. You guys have a great night and have a good day. Bye.